In this tutorial we will configure ErgoTipperBot to be able to send and receive tips on Twitter, and at the end we will send a tip to its creator Luavatra. The first thing we will do is enter Twitter and search for the user at ErgoTipperBot. To start the configuration we must send the bot a private message. In a short time he will respond to us with the instructions that we must follow. We will write the message start and send it. It tells us that the wallet has been started correctly and it will give us a password. The next step will be to write the message address and we will send it. It will show us the address of our new wallet. We must copy that address and we will go to our usual wallet to make a first ERG shipment. At least we must send 0.00115 ERG. We will send 0.5 ERG from Yoroi. Once the transaction is confirmed, we go back to Twitter and write the message balance. There it will indicate that our balance is 0.5 ERG. Here we can see all the coins and tokens that it supports. Now we will change the password that the bot has given us. We must write the message change PW followed by the current password and the new password. It tells us that the password has been changed correctly. Finally, we will use the tool created by Luavatra and send him a tip. To send the tip we must write tip, the amount we want, and the name of the currency or token in a response to a tweet that you think deserves a tip. You must tag at ErgoTipperBot. Any remaining text will be stored in the transaction database for both of you to view later.